Was that overtime authorized? If yes, by who?
Overtime. Kwakukhona yini elike leyo mvume ubani kwanika leyo mvume uma kuukuthi ngempela yanikwa leyo mvume?
By our immediate supervisor, man.
Yeah, just mention the name because we want to verify those records.
Superintendent Vishan Singh.
What you go, Superintendent Vishan Singh.
On the 5th of June now, when you reported at Albertine police station, when did you knock on duty?
When you were on 5 June at Albertine police station, what kind of service?
I can't recall, man.
Okay. And you also don't have records? Correct?
That's correct, man.
On the 30th of May 2020, when did you knock on duty?
30th of May 2021,
I was not present.
Okay. And then I know this question has been asked, but I just want to double check if you still insist in your answer. Colonel Hadebe testified that when he arrived in Albertine police station, the Metro members were inside the CSC next to the cell in which the accused was. But your answer, you said you were outside the CSC. Do you still remain with that answer?
That's correct.
What you may let you fire, what may figure Albertine police station, Trauma Pesa, as a metro, I am a party with CSC. When I was sitting in Bendula quite cutting assessing a pant, who sapigala laning girl in Bendula quite here.
Okay. You further testified that your unit, the SWAT unit, was disbanded. Is that your evidence?
Why?
What is the reason for that unit to be disbanded?
My lord, as to the reason, we still haven't been furnished with a proper reason.
Okay, and when was it disbanded?
In June 2022, my lord.
June 2022.
When you're defining your unit, you specified the type of the offenses that you were dealing with. Am I correct?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Was accused number 2 respectively charged with offenses which fell under your unit?
My lord, we were informed that the suspect is a high-profile suspect.
Okay, but do you know if he was charged with the offenses which fell within the scope of your department unit?
As a please, my lord, I don't know whether it's a fair question to the witness. Witness said they are merely deployed by the arrangements between the supervisor and Brigadier Gininda. This witness will not be in the position to know what were the charges and whether they fell within the scope of their duties.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my lord. The witness, my lord, can answer if he knows. If he doesn't know, he can say so that no, he doesn't know.
I don't know, my lord.
Angas.
My lord, I will pause here with my cross-examination and reserve the right for further cross-examination due to the fact that I still have to peruse. I've been supplied during lunch with other copies of the OB entries in respect of these 3 statements wherein the witness was involved. My lord, I beg leave to peruse them and then recall the witness if there is any need for further questions to be put.
Okay.
Thank you.
Re-exam. Are you waiting for a recall if necessary?
Yes, indeed, my lord. We're just waiting for the cross-examination to be finalized first.
Okay. So what happens now?
We can, as counsel requested, we're not going to oppose the request. We can stand down until tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes. There's another witness outside. We can continue with that witness if my colleagues are ready for that witness.
My lord, I think for the sake of convenience, it will be better to resume with that witness after we've perused the copies that we've just been supplied with, because...
Is he going to give evidence on which aspect now? That's the witness you say is outside, is going to testify on which aspect?
In respect of the confession of the 24th of June before Ms. Grenier, or not? It's Constable Lizering.
Where does it come from?
Well, he's also at the same office as this witness from Ekurhuleni Metropolis.
Do you want to lead that witness or don't you want to lead the witness? You are the state. You must tell us.
As the court pleases, my lord, our view is that his evidence is only related to, that particular event, and if my learned friends are ready, we can proceed with that witness, or at least maybe take his evidence in chief. If they want to reserve cross-examination, they can do so, but we can at least save some court time.
Mr. Ngomezulu?
Yes. My lord, we can actually allow the state to lead evidence in chief and reserve our cross-examination for tomorrow.
Mr. Nisi?
I think that will be in order.
What will be in order?
The fact that the witness can come and start with his examination in chief and then we take it from there.
Okay, Mr. Ngamalo?
Thank you, my lord. I'm of the same view that he can testify in chief and then reserve cross-examination. Thank you.
Ms. Mchololo?
My lord, I asked that I finish with a cross-examination with this witness, and also I asked that I be given the opportunity, my lord, to peruse the documents that have been supplied to me during lunchtime before the next witness is called.
Where's the prejudice if we call this particular witness and then his cross-examination is postponed to tomorrow? All counsels can cross-examine.
My lord, the problem with me is that I need to consult regarding the entries that have been provided to me in respect of the duties that were done by that witness, including the one who is currently in the box.
I thought Mr. Baloyi says it's a small exigence. What is he testifying on, this witness?
Well,
Booking,
just like escorting,
Yes.
escorting, and to Boxback Magistrate Court and back, and that's it.
it was one trip.
Yes, there's the only.
Okay, let's postpone to tomorrow. Where is the witness? Let's explain to him or her.
It's the court business.
Available tomorrow, sir?
Yes, madam.
Thank you. You may come tomorrow then. Same time. 9:30.
I'll be here, man.
Okay. Okay, then we postpone to tomorrow then. At 10 a.m.
Go to the gym.